Hello everyone, and ako si Coach Tony, no? Also known as the CEO of Unipreneur. So we also have our product called Unimag, di ba? Our miracle mineral spray with essential oils complex, no? So okay, uh, to make a long story short, ano yung sa title nito? This is about anti-aging and skin rejuvenation protocol. No? So ganito, what I have here is usually my nighttime turmeric tea. Okay? So ito medyo marami na tong laman like the basic is just basically ginger, salabat in short, no? So boiled some ginger and turmeric and black pepper. Okay? So I added some more into this such as a ascorbic acid, ano pa ba? Moringa. Yes, yun. Ascorbic acid, moringa, and one other product na, we're gonna come out soon with this really fantastic product that is Ayurvedic, no? In origin, meaning galing siya sa traditional medicine ng India. So ngayon, basic lang muna tayo. Okay na yung basic. You just have turmeric, salabat and ginger, and black pepper, okay, with a little bit of honey. Okay, and then bago nyo i-add yung citrus, which is just ako 2 or 3 calamansi, fruits, no? Make sure na hindi sobrang init because namamatay ang enzymes ng isang whatever food, no? If you can eat it raw, like yung tinatawag nating fresh fruits, di ba? Such as bananas, papaya, pineapple. These are actually, most of the time, better consumed fresh. Okay? Ibig sabihin, buhay yung enzymes. Okay? Pag may enzymes kasi yan, it helps with, enzymes are like when it comes to the human body, and enzymes, ano yan yung mga karpintero. Okay? It helps with the management of the cells of the body, no? And the hormones and whatnot. So, napaka-valuable na enzyme. So, when it comes to the fruits, ang pinaka-valuable dyan yung digestive enzymes. So, okay. The reason why, yan ang dahilan kaya hindi mo i-add siya sa super init na inumin. So, again, this is our turmeric mix, no? So, ginger, turmeric, or luyang dilaw, okay? And black pepper, because black pepper increases the absorption by 2,000x or 200x yata, something like that. But napakalaki, 2,000x ang pagkaalala ko, no, from the article, that if you take turmeric by itself or curcumin by itself, it is not as easily absorbable by the body than if you mix piperine or the active compound of black pepper, no, which vastly increases yung pag-absorb ng phytonutrients ng turmeric. So, as alam natin, turmeric is a very good antioxidant, anti-inflammatory. It also has antibiotic properties. Napakadaming, in fact, this is one of the most treasured herbs or roots of Ayurvedic medicine, and it is a standard in a lot of the coffee mixes, kung ano-anong mga herbal drinks, no? So ngayon, ang gagawin natin, what do I usually do? I'm already 53 years old, so as you can see, may konti pero it's not as bad yung mga wrinkle lines, no? Hindi mo na maiwasan yan as we age, lalo na I ride motorcycles and I get exposed to the sun often. But if you'll see, my skin is quite smooth and hindi siya yung wrinkly for a 50 plus years old. I'm turning 53 towards the end of this year, no? So, yan. Ang ginagawa ko nightly, I have this turmeric tea, and then what I do, okay? Guys, ito na. I'll mix the calamansi, but do not throw away the balat. Okay? Yan, di ba? So, just mix it there. Usually, meron ako strainer. Nakalimutan ko yung strainer eh. So, keep the balat. Keep it in a, sa saucer, no, na, or something mapapaglapagan na malinis. Okay? Hindi marumi. So, yan. Bakit? Because may papagamitan pa kayo nung balat nung kalamansi. So, guys, this is already my mix, no? So, ito, I'll drink this throughout before I get to sleep. Now, anong gagawin dun ayan, basa yung fingers ko, no? this is what I do. Maglalagay muna ako ng, so meron akong konting ano ng tubig, tapos babasain ko lang yung dulo ng fingers ko. Op. Ayan. Yeah. So ngayon medyo basa-basa siya, di ba? And then apply it on the face. Hindi yung tumutulo Tapos pag ganyan na siya, because it's easier to spread. Pigain mo pa ngayon this is already the calamansi, no? So actually yung isang calamansi pag piniga mo, enough na siya for the whole face, but I'll use the both of them, no? So yan. So that's not sa leeg because marami yun, di ba, yung mga gooseneck, yung may ganun, di ba? So this helps with the collagen production, di ba? So ngayon, yan, it really tastes, pag nalasahan it really tastes like like calamansi juice or yung unsweetened. No? So ikakalat nyo lang yun dyan. Yan. So this provides vitamin C that can help with the production of collagen on the skin. And it also disinfects the body, di ba? Ang mga citric acid, medyo mildly antiseptic yan or antibacterial. So yan, may na konti. Ingat lang kayo pag may napunta konti sa mata. But you have nothing to fear naman because yung mild lang naman yung medyo may konting stinging lang yung yung calamansi if it gets into you. But don't worry, it will not ruin your eyes, no? So again, ito na yung ating product, Unimag, no? So what I've found, because I just tried this na parang, what if I do this kaya? So, ang galing niyang before, I used to have yung talagang permanent crow's feet na dito. So, what I do is, I will just conservatively spray this here. Yan, ganun lang. Hindi ganun karami, di ba? Tapos, spritzes lang, and then you spread it all around your face and your neck. Kung saan merong, yung iba dito, kung hanggang dito yung wrinkling ninyo, pwede rin hanggang dito, di ba? Don't worry. Basta yung hindi tumutulo masyado. Yan, okay na, nakalat na. No? So, I will let this dry. This is actually, I found a very, very natural way to really revive your skin. And then, dati meron ako matindi na yung eye bags ko nagdi-discolor na siya dito, and then I just had because of the sun exposure sa pag-ride ng motor, okay, nagkakaroon na ako ng discoloration, mga dark spots sa mukha. Nawala. You know, so that's one of the features din kasi ng Unimag. It has 11 essential oils, okay? So napaka-powerful niya, and yung dati pimpulin ako dito sa areang ito, 50 plus nagpipimple pa because I try to really do my best to take care to the best of my ability because di ba? We're not getting any younger. So yan. That's the skin protocol. Okay? Ibig sabihin, na-apply na natin yung Unimag, na-apply na natin yung calamansi juices sa mukha natin. And then ito naman will be the internal nutrition that you will take para yung mga inflammation, yung mga antioxidant, or rather yung mga free radicals sa katawan, ma-address ng mga antioxidants nito. And also at the same time, it helps with overall body balance, no? So, yun lang guys. Hopefully, nagustuhan ninyo ating sharing on how to use Unimag for facial rejuvenation. Itong challenge natin guys, when you use this, I want you to have a before and after picture. Okay, ako hindi ko nagawa But what you will notice in the morning, pag hinawakan mo yung face mo, you will really distinctly feel, even yung hands mo, yung kikinis. So, di ba may natitira kang Unimag dito sa daliri mo at saka sa kamay mo? Di ba? Kaya ganyan yun, kuha ka pa lang ng konting extra water and you spread it all over your hands and your arms. Okay? Kakalat ngayon yung Unimag at saka yung calamansi mix. Hindi ka na alam maglagay ng extra. Okay? Or if you want, you can still put like 1 or 2. Okay? Ako, isa lang. Okay na yan. Diba? Kakalat mo na lang ng ganyan. Diba? Dahil kasi may calamansi na yan per arm. Diba? So, yan na yun, guys. So, ang notice niyo yan, yung mga parang later on, yung parang nagda-dry yung skin ninyo na parang, alam niyo yun, nakikita niyo na parang may maliliit na wrinkles sa balat. If you look at my skin, no, hindi siya yung wrinkly. Okay? Because this is always, pag naka-t-shirt lang ako nagbo-motor, laging naka-expose sa sun yan. So, look at that. No problem. So yan guys, subukan ninyo, and I challenge you, do this at least for 3 days to 1 week or more. Mas maganda kung you incorporate it as a habit, and you will notice as time passes, mag-even out yung skin tone ninyo, yung mga wrinkles, you know, it's not a miracle thing, but the thing is, it's going to improve your skin tone a lot, your wrinkling a lot, and yung mga discolorations, yan, kung ano man. And then, kung may excessive pimples, medyo expect niya na may konting hapdi yan. But what will initially happen, it might happen that you will be detoxifying when you first apply Unimaq on your face, and then lalabas yung mga pimples ninyo. And then just let it be, just let it be. And then pagkatapos niya, just keep on with the protocol. Later on, magugulat kayo, makinis na. So, again, this is your Coach Tony. So, thank you very much. Yung skin challenge natin, take the before and before after, and then kindly send me the pictures if this worked for you. So thank you very much, and good day, everybody.